Let's tell you, amid the paper leaks row, another blow to medical students. What we do know so far is that the NEET PG exam has been postponed. In fact, the NEET PG 2024 has been cancelled a night before the exam. In fact, a centre postpones the exam as a precautionary measure is what we're given to understand. But let's tell you why we give you details of this. The fresh date to be announced soon. So there is no clarity yet about when those dates will happen, but significant development as far as the centre postponing the exam as a precautionary measure. But what is to keep in mind over here is that the NEET PG 2024 exam has been cancelled a night before. So clearly this is once again a huge blow to students. But for the moment, this is what we're picking up. In fact, Pawan Khera has reacted on the same. More importantly, about the fact that the timing of it. Remember, it's just coming a couple of hours before the students were planning to take this exam. Let's listen into what the Congress leader has to say.
ये सरकार एग्जाम नहीं करा पा रही है। नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है। जो शिक्षा मंत्री आज से 4 दिन पहले एनटीए को क्लीन चिट दे रहे थे, अब एनटीए के डायरेक्टर जनरल जो एग्जाम्स के हैं उनको हटा रहे हैं। ये क्या लीपापोती चल रही है? किसको बचाया जा रहा है? क्या एक अफसर जिम्मेदार है सारे एग्जाम्स में जो घपले हो रहे हैं उसमें? क्या उसके ऊपर किसी का वरद हस्त नहीं है? ये जांच कब होगी? कब ये सारे जवाब लोगों को मिलेंगे? कब ये सरकार सिर्फ एग्जाम ठीक करा पाएगी? ये जवाब इन सवालों के जवाब अब लोगों को नहीं मिल रहे। जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि नौजवानों के बीच ये सरकार अपना विश्वास पूरी तरह से खो चुकी है।
नेशनल बोर्ड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन के द्वारा जिस प्रकार से नीट पीजी परीक्षा रद्द करने का निर्णय हुआ है, इस निर्णय से कहीं न कहीं छात्रों के मन में एक असमंजस की स्थिति दिखाई दे रही है। मुझे लगता है कि किसी भी प्रकार का कोई इनपुट नेशनल बोर्ड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन, भारत की स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय के पास यदि कोई आशंका थी तो उस आशंका को और पूरी गतिविधि को और पूरी अपनी कार्रवाई को विद्यार्थियों के सामने लाना चाहिए था। आज विद्यार्थियों के मन में सवाल ये है कि परीक्षाएं यदि रद्द हो रही है तो उसके कारण क्या है, उसको सुस्पष्ट करने की आवश्यकता है। इसलिए विद्यार्थी परिषद का मांग है भारत सरकार से, नेशनल बोर्ड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन से, कि विद्यार्थियों को जानने का पूर्ण हक है, अधिकार है कि ऐसे कौन से कारण और ऐसी कौन सी परिस्थिति बनी जिसके कारण से परीक्षा को रद्द किया जा रहा है।
All right, we just heard reactions as well as far as this entire matter is concerned. Let's tell you what Pawan Khera had to say about it. He says that the government is not able to conduct exams. The government has completely lost its trust among the youth. The education minister is giving a clean sheet to NTA 4 days ago, is now removing the director general of NTA. Remember, we just told you about that development as well. But he's gone on to question who's responsible for the exams and who's being saved. In fact, he's also stated when will this investigation happen and when will the government be able to get the exam done properly. And people are clearly not getting answers to these questions because remember, there is no clarity. Even if we were to talk about the other significant development that we just told you about in concern with the fact that the NEET PG exam has been postponed and it's been cancelled a night before the exam, that's essentially what is being questioned. In fact, we also heard what ABVP General Secretary Mr. Shukla had to say. In fact, he has said that if the National Board of Examination or the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare had any kind of suspicion, they should have brought forth everything in front of the candidates with full transparency. But student bodies demand the government and the National Board of Education that the students have the right to know the reasons and circumstances behind this.